Recovertikcom TikTok back is legit or scam. Recovertikcom TikTok back is legit or scam. If your TikTok account was banned or you're looking to restore lost access, you might have come across Recovertikcom promising quick account recovery. But can you trust it, or is it a scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming any recovery website is safe. The surprising truth is that Recovertikcom is not an official TikTok service. TikTok account recovery should only be done through the official TikTok app or support channels. Using third-party sites can compromise your account, steal personal information, or even infect your device with malware. You won't believe what happens next. Many users report that such sites either fail to deliver or request unnecessary personal details like passwords, which legitimate TikTok support never asks for. This makes it extremely risky to use services like Recovertikcom. To recover your TikTok safely, go directly to the app, use your registered email or phone number, and follow TikTok's official account recovery process. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your account in the future. In conclusion, Recovertikcom is a scam and should be avoided. Only trust TikTok's official recovery methods to regain access to your account safely. Attempting shortcuts through unofficial websites puts your account and personal information at serious risk.